Are you a visual learner? Do you need a tool to help you design your garage doors? This episode is for you.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Detached Garage. Today's episode is all about our garage door sponsor, Clopay Garage Doors, and we're going to dive into the computer here and design my garage doors for my garage before they get installed in a few weeks. I've already designed them, but I want to take you through this really helpful tool that Clopay provides on their garage website. And so you can mix and match, try a bunch of different garage designs for your garage. And one of the big things that garage doors help with is resale value. So even if you aren't building a new garage like me and you just want to increase the resale value of your house and change the style of your garage door, this is a great tool where you can try out different options, try out different colors, try out different windows, different window shapes, different window opacity levels. So this is a great tool for you to dream big. So let's jump right into the design tool and we'll get started from there. So you go to www.clopaydoor.com and then you click up in the top right hand corner, design your door. So we're going to click that. We're going to say, let's get started. And then it's going to ask you for your zip code. And the reason it does this is so it can match you up with a certified Clopay garage door installer once you're done. You can literally take your design and send it off to that Clopay certified installer, and they will be able to give you a call, review your choices with you, and go from there. So you're going to enter your zip code. So now that you've entered your zip code, you can either choose from some stock photos that Clopay has provided you, or you can upload your own photo of your home. And even if you only have a rendering from an architect, you can upload and use that. And that's what we're going to do in our case, since our garage isn't built yet, it's not completed yet, and we're trying to figure out what look we really want to go for with the garage doors. So you're going to click on the left here, upload a photo of your home, and I'm going to upload that right here, and then we're going to say, yes, let's get started. So what it's going to do then is it's going to bring in that picture of your house. Now, we're going to do 3 garage doors, and the other nice thing is Clopay also offers other types of doors, like front doors, that sort of thing. So if you want to redo your whole house and take a look at what it would be like with different options, you can do that also. So we're going to go up here to add a garage door. We're going to go in and we're going to start with our existing garage door. So we're going to go down to the standard 16 feet wide, 17 high, and it's going to be a square. So now that we've selected the size of the garage door, we're going to position it on the picture. So we're going to take it, drag it here. This is going to be door number 1. And then we would just click and drag the corners to the corners of the picture, and it will automatically adjust the garage door once we select it, which is going to be the next phase, to that size. So, all right, we've taken garage door 1, we've put it in its place. And now we are going to add another garage door. So this one is going to be 9 feet wide, 7 feet high, and it's going to be square. So then we will put that where that needs to go, adjust the corners of it to match. We will adjust that. All right, that looks like it lines up pretty good. And then we will add our third garage door, which is 12 feet wide and 10 feet high. And then we will do square, and we will put that where it needs to go. Adjust the corners up top and down below. Get that right there. Okay, so we've set our 3 garage doors, and now the next thing to do is start designing. So we're going to start with door number 1, and you can pick all these different options here. I know my face is in front of them, some of them, but we are going to go with modern steel. And the modern steel garage door, good choice. Let's choose the design. So now we're going to do, we are changing our house to a little bit more of a contemporary and a little bit more modern look. It's still that craftsman style, but we wanted to give the house a bit more modern of a look. So we're going to do the flush panel with contemporary windows, and then we're going to choose the construction. Now, you guys know after watching my videos, my garage, I really want it to be very well insulated and cut down on any increase in utility bill that we're going to have by having this, this garage. So we're going to go with the R18.4, and then we're going to go to the color. So I'm going to go with standard white because we're doing white trim, and then our siding will be like a dark gray with a little bit of a blue in it as well. So now we've chosen our color. Now we're going to choose our windows. So I am going to come down here. There's all sorts of different window options, but I am going to go and choose, where are we here? Flush. I want flush, plain, and long. So the nice thing here is it shows you, all right, this is what it's going to look like from inside. This is what it's going to look like from outside. And we're going to say OK. And so now you see the window popped up down here. So now we're going to go select the glass options. How many windows do we want? I am going to pick 4. So it's going to be kind of down the side, giving it that nice modern look to go along with the modern steel garage door. Now I'm going to select the placement. So it's going to go here. It kind of already selected it since we're only doing 4 windows down the side. And then now you get to choose what type of glass. So I know this is a huge point of contention for a lot of garage enthusiasts. Do you want somebody to be able to see into your garage, you know, see the amazing cars in there? Do you just want to let light in, but you don't want them to see? So there's quite a few different options here. I'm going to go with the insulated glass option to keep that R value as high as possible. And I'm going to go with the frosted glass and insulated. Now that we're done with that door, we are going to choose our next door. So you can see 1 has changed to edit. So if we want to change that after we do some of the other doors, we can do that. But now we're going to design door number 2. Yes, it pops up. Hey, do you want to do the modern steel again? Yes, we do want to do the modern steel. And then we're going to do plain long on the very top. And I think what I'm going to try and do is kind of even it out to try and make the big door not look so big. So we're going to do 2 windows along the top, and we're going to select our glass option. We're just going to stick with that 1 section up at the top, and we're going to keep it all the way up at the very top. So now we're going to do the same thing, tempered frosted glass, and now we've got 2 of the 3 done. Let's move on to the design. Yes, we are going to do modern steel, but on this one we are going to scroll down to the window option, and we are going to do flush again but this time we are going to do it on the right hand side. And so now that we have that option, we will select glass, and we will do 5 sections. Select the placement. It's going to be 5 row. Select the glass options, tempered glass, frosted, and insulated. And now we are going to view our summary. This was a super quick and easy tool for you to use. You can mix and match options. You can see the before and after here on the screen. And you can get a quote, you can find a dealer, you can share this with your interior your interior designer or your architect to kind of say, hey, here's what I'm thinking, here's what I want to do for the garage. And so this gives a great before and after view of you know, what you're looking at and the different door specs that are going to go to your Clopay garage door dealer. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Clopay garage door tool. You can see how easy it was to select, to mix and match, to choose different options, and you know, create your dream garage door. Huge shout out to our sponsor Clopay Garage Doors for making this happen. I can't wait to show you what we've chosen for our garage. It's going to look pretty similar to this, maybe a little bit of different twist on it, but that'll be in a video coming up here soon. If you have any questions at all, please put them down in the comments below. Again, a huge shout out to our sponsor, Clopay Garage Doors. Thanks again for watching Detached Garage.